Welcome to Pixel Developer, one platform where you get practical, real-world tutorials related to Android app development. So hey everyone, in this video I'm going to give you a complete demo of Android TV app development using the Leanback framework. In this project, I've implemented a list of videos using core Leanback components like BrowseSupportFragment, RowsSupportFragment, and VerticalGridSupportFragment, along with Recycler View to handle structured and smooth UI layouts. Apart from that, I've also built a login page and a video details page. The video details screen is inspired by the YouTube videos available on popular Android TV development channels, so the UI feels familiar, clean, and user-friendly. All of this is developed using pure Kotlin code, keeping the architecture simple and easy to understand. I've also published the complete source code on GitHub, so if anyone is interested, you can explore the code, learn from it, or even contribute to the project. The source code link is in the description. Just visit github.com/Dinesh2510.
Alright, that's a wrap for this video. I hope you found it helpful. The complete source code is available on GitHub. You can find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and comment your thoughts or any questions you have. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, follow us on Instagram for more updates, behind-the-scenes content, and coding tips. Thanks for watching. Keep coding, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding.